In this video, I'm going to show you how to remix snaps on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app and then tap right here on these two little persons icon. And here you can find Snapchat stories. You can hit at any story to watch it. And then all you have to do in order to remix that story is hold down on that story and from here tap on remix snap. Now there at the left options you can select how it looks like. You can make it in that way when my head overlays that image, or you can select that appearance, or side by side, up and down, and also in that smiley way. I'll select, for example, that option or side by side option, and here now I can also add some music here. Just tap at music icon and add this to that Snapchat remix. You can also drag this song in any way, left or right, to select the exact part that you want to use, and then all you have to do is hold down that record button, and now you can record your remix with that snaps of that person. After that, you can edit that remix in any way that you want, as you usually do, and then just hit on send button and hit on send again and send it to whoever you want from your friends list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.